In this video, I'll guide you through how to add an employee to your LinkedIn company page. Managing your company's LinkedIn page effectively is crucial for maintaining a professional online presence and ensuring that your team is accurately represented. Adding employees to your company page can help reinforce your brand and improve communication with your audience. Let's dive in and get started. First, open your web browser and go to linkedin.com. Make sure you're logged into the account that has administrative access to your company page. This is important because only admins can make changes to the company page, including adding employees. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, look to the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll find the section where your business page is listed. Click on it to access your company's LinkedIn profile. After accessing your company page, scroll down until you see the settings option on the left side. Clicking on settings will take you to a new screen where you can manage various aspects of your company page, such as roles and permissions. This area is essential for ensuring that your team members have the appropriate access and responsibilities. Next, look for the option that says Manage Admins and click on it. This section allows you to control who has administrative rights over your company page. It's important to manage these permissions carefully to ensure that only trusted individuals have the ability to make changes to your business profile. Once you're in the Manage Admin section, you'll find an option labeled Admin. Click on it to proceed to the next step. This will bring up a list or a search bar where you can find the LinkedIn profiles of your team members. Use this feature to search for the employee you wish to add. Simply type in their name, and LinkedIn will provide you with a list of matching profiles. After locating the correct profile, you'll need to select the option to assign roles. Assigning roles is crucial because it determines what level of access the employee will have on the company page. Common roles include super admin, content admin, or curator, each with different permissions. Choose the role that best fits the employee's responsibilities within your company. With the role assigned, the final step is to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually located at the bottom of the page, and click on it. This action will finalize the addition of your employee to the company page, granting them the access and permissions you've specified. And that's it. You've successfully added an employee to your LinkedIn company page. This simple process not only enhances your company's professional presence online, but also helps streamline communication and collaboration within your team. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on managing your LinkedIn presence. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.